Hey guys, Meta 35 here on Breakers TV. Guys, we're doing another makeup break. This one is for Sunday. Two jumbos, Bowman Chrome, not Bowman Chrome, Bowman Draft, excuse me, jumbos. Break number 24. Thank you so much, guys, for staying with the break. I appreciate it. Appreciate your guys' support and everything. Here we go. Good luck, good luck, good luck. Box one. Yep. Box two. I'm going to set them up higher, just 2 rows. There we go. Boot tuck. Tall, tall, tall. Good luck, guys. Here we go. Try to make sure it's recording. Yeah, it is. All right. 4 packs left. Here we go. That one does not want to come out. Last one. Slide this back. Slide back. There we go. Good luck, guys. Here we go. Guys, ready? Ready? Ready, ready, ready? Bada bing, bada boom, 3 steps. There we go. Good luck, guys. Here we go. Base. Chrome refractors are Carson, Matt, and wow, look at that. Dansby, Swanson for the Diamondbacks. There we go. Bada bing, Bada boom, pulling heat tonight. Congratulations to the Diamondbacks. Boom. Nice hit right there. He's got the Diamondbacks. Wowzers. Crazy hit. Boom. There we go. Dansby. Sick. Paper. Tristan for the Indians. $4.99. Oops. Go like this. Paper. Chrome. Kyle Zimmer. Phil for the Giants. Avery for the Marlins are your refractors. Chrome and paper. Chrome. Andrew Benedine. Braves. Lucas. Nathan for the Brewers. Jimmy for the Reds, your refractors. And we got this guy. Rudolph for the Phillies. Initiation for the Phillies. I think these are like 1 a case. There we go. Chrome. Base. Chrome. Kyle for the Mariners. Billy and Ian for the Cubbies. Matt for the Tigers are your refractors. $4.99 Sky Bolt for the A's. For the A's out of $4.99. Chrome. Paper. Right, stack 2. Here we go. The big boys. Good luck. Paper. Chrome. Brandon Rogers for the Rockies. Bo for the Tigers. Merrill for the Mets are your refractors. Base. Chrome. Refractors is Bryce for the Cardinals. Garrett for the Rays. Reese McGuire for the Pirates. And Lucas Williams for the Phillies. Purple. $2.50. Lucas Williams out of $2.50. There we go. Chrome. Paper. Chrome. Ian Happ for the Cubs. Michael for the Rangers. Tyler for the White Sox are your refractors. Base. Burse. Chrome. Isaiah for the Marlins. Domingo for the Dodgers. And Richie Martin for the A's. Congratulations to the A's. Richie Martin autograph for the A's. Richie Martin for the A's. Chrome. Base. There we go. Walker for the Dodgers. David for the Mets refractors. Bowden Derby for the A's refractors. Base. Paper. Grills for the Tigers. Cole Tucker for the Pirates. Refractors. And here we go to hit. Christian for the Tigers. Congratulations to the Tigers. Christian Stewart for the Tigers. Tigers got a hit. I ran out of sleeves. There we go. Give me 1 second, guys. I need to get some sleeves real quick. Not too far away. Paper. Garrett for the Rays out of $4.99. Paper. Chrome. Paper. And some more chrome. Slide that stack over. Hayes for the Pirates, Nick Gordon for the Twins, and Austin Allen green refractor for the Padres. Congratulations to the Padres. Austin. Padres. Green refractor. Congratulations. Austin Allen. Padres. Green. Base. Kevin Newman for the Pirates, Donnie for the Cubs, Adam for the Twins, and Juan Hillman. There we go. Juan Hillman for the Indians. Indians are on the board. Congratulations to the Indians. Juan Hillman for the Indians. Juan Hillman for the Indians. Chrome. Paper. Mike for the Rockies, Michael for the Braves, and Lucas Sims for the Braves are your refractors. Chrome base. Oh, here we go. Chrome. Giants is Andrew and Chris and Cam. Cam for the Tigers. Congratulations to the Tigers. There we go. Tigers are on the board with a hit. Cam Gibson for the Tigers. Those are just base. Chrome and base. All right, guys. Last stack. Here we go. Good luck. Base. Chrome. Dansby refractor. Bowman Scouts. For the Diamondbacks. Michael for the Braves. And Forrest Wall for the Rockies. Refractor. Chrome. Base. Chrome. Refractors are Garrett for the Rays, Drew for the Yankees, and Moyer for the Angels. Refractors. Chrome base. That's pretty cool. Andrew Benedine Chrome. Benedine. Austin for the Benedine, Bada-boom for the Red Sox. Derek and Brew for the Tigers. Carson Sands for the Cubbies. And gold paper, Cornelius for the Phillies. 50 out of 50. That's pretty cool. 50 out of 50. eBay 101. eBay 101. 50 out of 50. Last one signed. There it is. 50 out of 50. Gold. Phillies. Gold paper. There it is. Chrome. Paper. Chrome. Refractors is Ryan. Chris for the Rays. Nelson for the Indians. There we go. That's a nice insert too. Dansby purple. A 250. That's cool. Dansby purple and a Dansby autograph. There we go. 34 250. Dansby Swanson. Let's put it in the glove. Why not? So let's insert. There we go. Chrome. Paper. There we go. Chrome. Kyle Creek for the Giants. Jeff for the Yankees. Rento for the A's. And the Refractors. Chrome and base. Chrome. Max for the Mets. Blake for the Reds. Travis for Miami Marlins. Refractors. Chrome. Paper. And chrome. JP for the Phillies. Cal Tucker refractor. Trey Ball for the Braves. Red Sox. Was it Braves or Red Sox? Let's see. Red Sox, sorry. Red Sox it was. Chrome and base. And Burse. Tertis and Burse. Chrome. Fractors are Drew and Steven and blue. Peter Lambert for the Rockies. Blue refractor. Out of 150. Peter Lambert. Cool. Chrome and base. Last guys, thank you so much for waiting on this break and joining it. Tim for the White Sox, JC for the Blue Jays, Jared for the A's, and Walker. There we go. For the Royals. Dodgers, not Royals, Dodgers. Congratulations to the Dodgers. I don't know why I said Royals. Dodgers. There we go. Walker, the Dodgers. Chrome base. All right, guys, last stack. Here we go. Good luck. Chrome. Nathan for the Brewers. Benton for the Rays. Ryan for the Cubs, your refractors. And base. All right, guys, let's do a recap. Here we go. Guys, let you know I'm getting a bunch of 16 Bowman baseball coming in next week. Hopefully we'll see you guys into that. I got a bunch of cases coming in. Here we go. Walker for the Dodgers. Dansby, purple, at a 250 for the Diamondbacks. Gold. Cornelius Paper for the Phillies. Cannon for the Tigers. Juan Hillman for the Indians. Christian for the Tigers. Richie Martin for the A's. And the hit of the break, Dansby. There we go for the Tigers. All right, guys, made it 35 here. Breakers TV just completed a 2-box jumbo break of 2015 draft jumbo break number 24. Thank you so much, guys, for joining and waiting. I appreciate it. You guys all have a fantastic evening. After the Chrome break tomorrow or Wednesday, I'll be doing a giveaway for people that were in these Saturday and Sunday breaks. So we're doing some break credit giveaways to you guys. So here we go. Thank you so much, guys. We'll see you around. Have a good week.